How to search Airbnb and use filters. Hello everybody and welcome back up to our channel. Here is how you should be able to do it to find exactly what we want on the Airbnb application. So let's start the process. So open up the Airbnb app for that on your Android or your iPhone. You can even head over to the website, and once we are logged in, we can directly look out for the search option in the top. Tap on the search bar. After we have tapped on there, we can just go over and enter up our destination here. So for example, Bangkok, Thailand. So you can tap on that destination. After that, you can select up when, what date it is. For example, I would like to do it on 10. After that, we can tap on next. We can choose month and flexible dates, etc. as well. After we have done so, we can choose like who it is. Is it adult, children, infants, etc.? You can just go and choose how many people are going and tap on this option called search. After that, it will show us the results. Now, if we want to go ahead and filter it out, we can just go over and cut for the filter option in the top right. And once we choose here, we can just go over and filter it out. So if you want to instantly book it, self check-in, guest favorite, etc., you can just go and filter it out in instant book, for example. And you can select what kind of place it is. Is it an entire place or private room? You can choose, or even entire home. You can select it. After that, you can choose the price range from minimum to maximum, how much you have the budget for. You can just go and choose it. And similarly, we can look out for the rooms and bed as well, like bedrooms, beds, bathrooms, etc. And we have amenities, etc., such as Wi-Fi, kitchen, AC, parking, washer, etc. You can choose it up, which is necessary for you. After that, we have booking options here. We have different options, including free cancellation as well. You can check it out. We can instant book it, etc. And then we can just go and look out for accessibility features, property type, host language, etc. and tap on show. After that, the results load. You can just go and select your preferences and select your stay from here, and that is it. You can just go and add filters slowly because too many can hide the good places. You can just go and check it out. And that way, you should be able to search Airbnb and use filters. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.